Today, I'm excited to show you how manufacturing companies are changing the way they demo their products using spatial presentations. Today's example is with one of our customers, Evapco. In the next 2 minutes, I want to walk you through exactly how a HVAC company turns their product into a spatial product demonstration that their customers can easily understand and engage with. First step, let's open the JigSpace app on my Mac and bring in the CAD file of our HVAC unit. This model can be from SolidWorks, Creo, AutoCAD, or any other CAD software. JigSpace supports all major file formats, including SolidWorks, STEP, STL, OBJ, and FBX. Once we've brought in the model, let's go ahead and add some materials just to make this look more realistic. Then, just like PowerPoint, we can add steps to this jig. This will create animations that will allow us to pull the model apart and show exactly how it works. We can even add in flow effects to show the airflow through the unit. All right, that looks pretty good. And I'm going to hit save. Now that we've put this together in Jig, let's check this out in Spatial. All I have to do is put on my Apple Vision Pro, open JigSpace, and select the jig I've built. Now I can place this jig in my space and experience it in Spatial. I can interact with it, I can change the size and scale, walk around it, walk through my jig step by step. This is so much more engaging than a slide deck or a brochure. It's easy to understand, it reduces trade show costs, and it helps your product's unique selling point stand out. I can also instantly view this jig on any device, iPhone, iPad, and web, using the QR code, the unique link, or an iframe. For remote demonstrations, here's an example of the same jig with a few more steps experienced alongside my colleague, Toby, across the world. Here we are both interacting and engaging with the same jig together in Spatial. To take your product demonstrations to the next level, head to jig.com.